Here's the truck with the skid steer attached to it. As you can see, it makes a pretty long piece of equipment to, well, plus the trailer to carry. This trailer is designed to carry this kind of weight. You'll see there are actually three attachments. They're kind of on top of each other. One is a root rake, which actually might be good for picking up rocks if the rocks were big enough. Then there's a bucket, and then there's a grapple attachment. I'm going to take the machine off the trailer. Hopefully I'll get it off without any major issues. It's a heavy piece of equipment. I'd given some thought to I need to determine what the full weight of this thing is. Those attachments, I'm willing to bet, weigh a couple of 1,000 pounds a piece, and I got to make sure that I don't exceed the weight limit of the trailer. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this skid steer. I'm going to work with it a little bit to see how to run this thing. I got a short 5-minute lesson from the mechanic the other day, but I obviously need to have a lot more hands-on experience with it.